When faced with the issue of a faulty ignition coil, many might be tempted to take a cost-saving shortcut and replace only the problematic unit. While this might seem like a pragmatic approach at first, it can actually lead to a series of potential issues and ultimately result in increased expenses in the long run. That's why it's essential to understand why choosing to replace all ignition coils is the smarter choice. Ignition coils, like many other automotive components, undergo wear and tear over time. When one coil fails and is replaced independently, it can lead to an imbalance in power distribution among the cylinders. This imbalance, in turn, affects engine performance, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and uneven power delivery. In some import applications, such as BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and others, the vehicle's ECU can sense this imbalance, causing additional check engine lights and unwanted trips back to the shop. However, choosing to replace all the coils at the same time will ensure uniform performance across all cylinders. This consistency results in a more responsive driving experience, promoting better fuel efficiency and smoother engine operation. Ignition coils typically have comparable lifespans due to similar operating conditions. When one coil fails, it serves as a potential warning sign that others may also be approaching the end of their service life. By proactively addressing this issue and choosing a complete replacement strategy, car owners can prevent potential problems before they escalate. This approach saves both time and money on future repairs, as addressing multiple coil failures separately can be more costly and time-consuming. Choosing to replace all ignition coils with high-quality components by Walker Products significantly enhances the overall reliability of the vehicle. Walker's premium ignition coil sets ensure that the engine's electrical system operates optimally, minimizing the risk of unexpected engine troubles on the road. This enhanced reliability not only promotes confidence in the car's performance, but also ensures safer journeys for the driver and passengers alike. Walker Products prioritizes convenience and efficiency in automotive maintenance. They understand that the process of replacing ignition coils can be daunting, but their high-quality coil sets are specifically designed to meet exact OEM standards and performance. Meticulously engineered for a precise fit and easy installation, their coil sets ensure a seamless replacement experience. By choosing Walker Products coil sets, car owners can be rest assured that their ignition system will be restored to its optimal condition, promoting a reliable and enjoyable driving experience for miles to come. Thank you for watching.